Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping straight into the world of simulated crypto trading. We're looking at the trade tester platform from Profit at a Web.
Yeah, and our mission here is really to see how a tool like this helps traders, specifically with BTC and ETH, move past just theory.
And actually stress test their strategies before there's any real money on the line.
Exactly. It's that essential bridge, isn't it? From knowing a strategy in your head to seeing if it would actually survive out there in the wild. We're talking about a whole system here.
From live options to deep historical backtesting.
It's all about building confidence with data, not just crossing your fingers and hoping for the best.
Okay, so let's talk about access for you, the listener. It's pretty flexible. You can get free entry just by signing up for a Delta Exchange India account, but you have to use our channel's referral link.
But for the full suite of tools and, importantly, the support, you'll want to look at the premium plans.
Right. So for the premium plans, you've got a few options here. There's a 3-month plan for 690 rupees, 6 months for 5,400 rupees, and a full year for 8,800 rupees.
And that subscription gets you direct support through WhatsApp and access to their premium Telegram community, which is a huge bonus.
Okay, let's unpack the tools then. Where do we start? The live arena.
I think so, yeah. The live arena is really where options traders are going to feel at home. It's fantastic for visualizing strategies, especially for volatility plays.
I mean things like straddles and strangles.
Precisely. Straddles, where you're using the same strike price, and strangles with different strikes.
Yeah.
The tool helps you analyze strategies that are built to profit when you think the market is about to make a huge move, but you're not sure which way.
So it's not just showing you the mechanics, it's showing the potential outcome.
The cost stack, max profit, max loss, your break-even points, all in real time. It's powerful stuff.
So the live arena shows what's happening right now.
Yeah.
But for real confidence, you need to look back, right? You need history.
And that's where the Chartline Advanced Backtester comes in. This is where you run your theories against historical data.
Like that classic example they cited, the EMA3 and EMA9 crossover.
Exactly. And for anyone unfamiliar, that's just a simple momentum signal. You're waiting for that short-term moving average to cross the longer-term one.
The reporting on this thing is what got me. It gives you the total P&L, of course, but it gets so granular.
It does. It gives you a detailed win rate, and the one we saw was, what, 27.3%?
Wait, 27.3%? That sounds incredibly low.
It does sound low, but that's the honesty of a good backtester, right? It's forcing you to confront the reality of the strategy, not just the highlights.
So it's more about risk than just the win rate.
100%. And that leads to probably the single most critical number it gives you. Max drawdown.
Ah, yes. The one nobody likes to look at.
But you have to. The max drawdown tells you exactly how much pain, how much of a capital hit you have to be willing to endure to stick with that strategy. It's about survival.
Okay, so you have the historical data, but then you need to bridge that gap to the live market feel. That's where the real-time paper trading comes in, the pro backtester.
That's the one. And the key difference here is that it uses realistic candlestick charts, not just simple line charts. It forces you to practice execution.
So it trains your discipline.
Exactly. It makes you react to simulated fear and greed without any actual money on the line. It's preparing you for the emotional roller coaster.
All right, let's talk about the final step then, full automation.
The holy grail for many traders.
The platform gives you Python code, often from GitHub, to build automated bots. To make it work, you have to generate API keys and secrets from your Delta Exchange account.
And this is where this setup gets very specific, and it's critical for security.
Let me guess. This is about the IP address.
You got it. To run these bots live via the API, the source material is crystal clear. You need a static IP address. It's non-negotiable.
Why is that so important?
Because the exchange needs to know it's you. A static IP is like a permanent digital fingerprint for your server. If your IP keeps changing, their security protocols will just block you.
So to recap what we've learned today, we've seen how these tools, from the live arena to the advanced backtester, let you really measure your risk, especially that max drawdown, and simulate everything before a single rupee is on the line.
Which brings us to a final thought for you to take away. As we see the shift from basic paper trading to serious automation, one that requires secured API access, how does a technical barrier like needing a static IP change you can access true hands-off automated crypto trading?